Tonight we're testing something people have been arguing about for years. Is LED actually better than HID, or is it just marketing? By the end of this video, we're going to find out which one really wins on a real road. Let's start with the biggest question. Which one is brighter? We use this a lighting tester, so this isn't guesswork. This Philips HID comes in at about 1,900 lumens, but this LED is way higher than I expected. This is almost twice the brightness. Now, let's test something even more important: glare. Most people think brighter means more blinding, but that's not actually true. Look at the beam pattern. LED has sharper cutoff, more focused beam pattern. This means more light where you need it, and none of that blinding glare for oncoming traffic. Numbers are great, but real performance matters more. We tested D5S solely for evaluation purposes to get a general sense of the differences between HID and LED. A similar level of improvement can be expected across all D-series Neo Vision models. Now, let's see how the DAMA Neo Vision LED performs on a real Mercedes.
These are the headlights, like for instance right there. The light's just gone out on the top. And also this bulb would flicker a lot. I'm assuming the bulb's either been water damaged or it's just old, I'm not sure. And it's really a bummer because these are Xenon headlights. These are actually spec'd up headlights, so they're supposed to be pretty good. So to fix this, the people from HID Concept sent me the DAMA Neo Vision D3S LED bulbs that we're gonna unbox and install today. And we're gonna test and compare how these fare up against the old ones. But before we get to installing those, I've actually turned the car around because these headlights aren't really level, so we're going to go and adjust them quickly before we install the new ones, just so we can get them correct, because the right one's sitting a little bit high right now. And the way we're actually going to adjust these headlights is by adjusting these little white bits here. I'm going to get my little bit and put it down there. And to level the headlight out, I turn it counterclockwise to rise the beam and make it level. So here's the box, there's some information on it, and there's some very interesting stats in the back. They say the brightness is at 150% in comparison to your standard HID bulb. It's got a much higher range, and it's got way more color temperature, so I'm really excited to put these in, to be fair. Big thank you for HID Concept for sending these to me, and yeah, let's get it open. So, open the box, and there they are. Look at them, little beauties. That's one of them. They've got a lot of thermal cooling on them, which is really cool to see, and yeah, I'm not gonna lie, these feel like quality. And obviously you got a name on the side there as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and start installing one of these. So on a Mercedes CLA, the way to actually take these out is to pull this little door down over here. There we go. It's a bit hard to get out there, but lovely. And then you have the back of the headlight itself over here. And we want to twist that, pull this cover out the way. Then we have access to the old headlight. And we just want to pull out the power cable here, grab it, twist it, and pull it out, like so. Whew, that's hot. So just for reference sake, this is the old bulb and this is the new bulb. As you can see, very different in design. To be fair, the original one is pretty damn ugly. Just a huge kind of metal base. Whereas this one even has a cool color scheme, to be fair. As you can see, it's got a much slimmer design and it's even a little bit smaller from the top. So that's pretty cool. And I think if you were to ask anybody that didn't even know about cars which light was better, I'm pretty sure they point towards this one. And also it actually has a fan on the bottom, so that's going to keep your light cool. LEDs can get very hot, so this is a great feature to have on this light. And to install it, we literally just do everything in reverse. We just plop it back in here, push it in at an angle, twist. Voila, that's in there. And then we just want to push the cable onto the bulb. Same process over here. Also, just as a heads up, this is the CLA 180, whereas the US equivalent is the CLA 250. So make sure to check that this process is the same if you have the American version. How they look? Oh yeah, they're actually so bright that you can see a beam going through the air, which is pretty new. My lord, those are better. Wow, beautiful. You can see that fan is hard at work to keep these little bad boys nice and cool. Lovely. And with these before and afters, these were way brighter than OEM. And they had a more natural white color to them as opposed to the yellowy colors of the stock bulbs. And they just brighten up so much more of the road. So you just have so much more visibility with these. The slimmer bottom of the DAMA Neo Vision LED bulbs minimize dark spots and enhance light output. And these bulbs also operate at 35 watts, ensuring that you're not gonna get any error codes on your dashboard. And better yet, they come with 5 years of factory defect warranty, offering long-term reliability and peace of mind. It's definitely safe to say that these are a huge upgrade.
Visit HIDconcept.com. Lighting the road ahead.